Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back with a brand new lesson. As you can see today I'm in a railway station. So today I have come with my family member to enjoy the place, to spend my quality time actually. So as you can see there is a big paddy field over there. So please show the scenery of this beautiful place. And to my left side, as you can see, there is a big playground where there are so many people are playing. Maybe there is a cricket tournament is going on. That's why there are so many people surrounding me. Okay, and anyways, so yesterday I also came here, but at that time I came with my friend circle to spend the valuable time. But today I have come with my family members to spend my quality time. Actually, so there's a many visitors actually came here to spend their time. Actually, they came with their family members and also they came with their friend circle and also they came with their brother and sisters. And as you can see, so I'm in a railway station. This is one of the smallest and beautiful station in Jamalpur Shorishabari. So anyways, now question is that why I'm making this video actually. So by watching this video, you can improve your public speaking skill. That's why I'm making this as kind of video. So as you can see, there are so many people, that there are visitors, but I'm speaking. So if you want to improve your speaking skill, especially public speaking skill, then you have to go to in a public place, then you have to try to speak in English. Otherwise it is not possible for you to speak English, or it is not possible for you to learn English. That's why you have to come in a public place, then you have to express yourself. Now you can ask me, brother, I don't have any partner, so how can I practice in a public place? So you don't need any partner, just you need to a cell phone. As you are watching my video, I think you have a smartphone. So with this smartphone you will try to record yourself and you will try to speak in English in front of many visitors, in front of people. So in this way gradually you will improve your spoken English. So this is the main theme actually to make this video. So anyways, I don't want to make it more longer. So this is it. Stay safe, stay tuned, and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.